Are the Dubai Islands sinking? Dubai's man-made islands for the super-rich are reportedly sinking back into the sea. The man-made archipelago, shaped like a map of the earth, was planned to feature luxurious houses and tourist resorts located all within just a short boat ride from Dubai. But today, more than 10 years after the completion of these islands, there is hardly anything built on them. According to Nakheel, the developer, some 70% of the 300 islands were sold before reports that the islands are sinking into the sea began hitting the news. Now, most of the development on all but one of the islands has been halted. Greenland, however, is still under construction. That's because the ruler of Dubai lives there. The failure has been a few years in the making, when property prices in Dubai tanked after the Emirates basically went bust. Most of the investors in the world weren't able to continue financing continuing work. According to Penguin Marine, the sand used to build the islands is slowly falling back into the sea from where it came. The channels between the islands are filling back in, and if it continues on this way, the entire world will soon be back beneath the surface of the ocean. A strange metaphor for sea level rise, to say the least. There might be a rescue for the sinking islands, though, assuming they are indeed sinking. A company from the Netherlands claims to have a solution. Dutch Docklands, a firm that makes floating islands, wants to help. They recently won a bid to build something called the floating proverb, which will be 89 floating islands that, when viewed from the air, will spell an Arab proverb. Nakheel, though, isn't giving in just yet. This is a 10-year project which has slowed down, said Graham Lovett, a spokesperson. This is a project which will be completed,